What's going on, guys? This is me, Rasputin out here, so-called AKA Ras Gang. So I'm getting in. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about me. I'm getting in the car seat now. I drive a CG6, 2001 Accord. I'm buying a lot of little stuff, little by little. But right now I picked up some wheels yesterday, some XXR 550, and I'm just gonna put them on to see how they look, but I doubt it. I mean, the car's not lowered or anything. It's stock. Like, I'm talking about, like, I even got hit the other day, matter of fact, by some fucking cockhead. But hey, that's life, right? I guess. So I'm gonna go take these wheels outside. I'm gonna just do one and then see how it looks, and then we'll go from there. But for right now, I'll post another video actually when I get all my parts in, because they're coming probably this Friday. That's coming up. But once I get everything in, I'll post a video about all the parts, and then little by little, I'll post a video of me installing little by little, you know what I mean? Like parts by parts. But for right now, let's get to the wheel. It's right here. See that, John? It looks pretty good. To me, it looks pretty good. It's 16 by 8, so it's it's bigger than the one I have on now. But I'll be right back. Let me go do this. I'm gonna show you in the way too, but be right back. Alright, guys, that took me a minute. Look at that. Woo-wee. But I have it done. Here go the wheels. I'll put them on, once I get the lug nuts, because I still got to figure out which lug nuts fit, because the one I have, they're too fat. But I don't know the thrust, so I'm about to do some research to find the lug nuts. And once I get those on, or once I buy those, I'll put them on, and then I'll post another video on that. Like I said, once I get all my new parts, I'll post a video on like an opening video, and then we'll go from there. I'll put like installing it, then the outlook of it, and then we'll go from there, bro. But stay tuned. My project called the CG6 project. Don't forget Daisy Whip. Daisy, she's about to get lit before H Day. I'm not saying like OC lit, but it's not gonna look stock either. So therefore, it's gonna look good. So thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Skadoosh.